Dear students, in this topic we shall discuss the lung volumes and capacities. The lung volumes refer to the volumes of air which are associated with different phases of the respiratory cycle. These volumes can be directly measured. The lung capacities can be inferred from the lung volumes. There are 5 types of measurable lung volumes: the resting tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, expiratory reserve volume, the residual volume, and the minimal volume. The resting tidal volume is the amount of air that moves into or out of the lungs during a single, quite normal breathing. It averages about 500 milliliter in human, male and female both. यानी ये वो हमारा नॉर्मल रेस्पिरेटरी साइकिल है जिसमें 500 ml एयर इन या आउट होती है एक ब्रीदिंग साइकिल में. Now we shall discuss the inspiratory reserve volume, which is the amount of air which can be inhaled by maximum inspiratory effort. जो हम पूरा जोर लगा के मैक्सिमम एयर अंदर लेके जा सकते हैं वो इंस्पायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम है. ऑन एवरेज अगर हम देखें तो लंग्स ऑफ मेल्स आर लार्जर देन फीमेल्स, सो द इंस्पायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम ऑफ मेल्स इज ग्रेटर एंड एवरेज इज अबाउट 3300 मिलीलीटर, जबकि फीमेल्स में ये वॉल्यूम 1900 ml होता है. Now we shall discuss the expiratory reserve volume, which refers to the amount of air which can be voluntarily expelled out after the tidal volume by maximum respiratory effort. एक नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग के जरिए एयर बाहर निकल गई, उसके बाद जो हम मैक्सिमम एफर्ट करके मजीद एयर निकाल सकते हैं, दैट इज एक्सपायरेटरी रिजर्व वॉल्यूम. ए मेल कैन फोर्सफुली expel additional 1000 ml air by use of accessory muscles, while in females this amount is about 700 milliliters. The residual volume is the amount of air that still remains in the lungs even after maximum exhalation. It is about 1200 ml in males and 1100 milliliters in females. A component of residual volume is the minimal volume. This is the amount of air that still remains in the lungs when they fully collapse. जब lungs बिल्कुल collapse कर जाएं dead man के अंदर, तो this volume ranges about 30 to 120 milliliters. Unlike other volumes, it cannot be measured in a healthy living person. Now we shall discuss the lung capacities, which are calculated by adding the values of various lung volumes. These include inspiratory capacity, functional residual capacity, vital capacity, and total lung capacity. The inspiratory capacity is calculated by adding the tidal volume and inspiratory reserve volume. It refers to the amount of air that can be drawn into the lungs after a complete respiratory cycle. The functional residual volume capacity can be calculated by adding expiratory reserve volume and residual volume. It refers to the amount of air which remains in the lungs after a complete respiratory cycle. vital capacity refers to the maximum amount of air which can be moved into or out of the lungs in a single respiratory cycle. It is calculated by adding expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and inspiratory reserve volume. इसकी जो ओवरऑल अमाउंट बनती है दैट एवरेज इज about 4800 milliliter in males and 3400 milliliters in human females. Dear students, the total lung capacity refers to the total volume of the lungs. It is calculated by adding the vital capacity and residual volume. The total lung capacity in males averages about 6000 ml in human males and 4200 ml in human females.